Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Whirlpool dishwasher in 2026. Now, if your dishwasher is frozen, won't start or showing the strange lights or errors, a reset is going to fix it in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to make sure that the dishwasher is powered on. After that, you need to look at these tabs here on your dishwasher. So among these, you just have to basically look for the button sequences. So here you need to press the buttons in this particular order. First of all, you need to press the heat dry button, then press the normal button. After that, press the heated dry button and then press the normal button. So you need to press each button one after the other without pausing too long. Once it is done, the dishwasher lights will flash and the machine will restart. If your model doesn't have those exact buttons, you can try this simple reset instead, in which you just have to simply press and hold the start or the cancel button for 5 seconds. Now the dishwasher will drain the water and cancel the cycle. This also resets the system. After the reset finishes, you can wait for 1 minute and then start a new wash cycle. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.